lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5 new pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
ELF is for every eye, lip, and face. We make the best of beauty accessible with high-quality products at get real prices. All 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Because looking good and feeling good, that's elfing amazing.
Greg wakes up at 5, gets the coffee going for his wife, and goes for a run. He showers and puts on Dove Mint Plus Care Dry Spray Antiperspirant. By 7, he's doing school drop-off.
Bye, Daddy.
And headed to work. Later, as he grills dinner for the family, he thinks,
another great day taking care of them and taking care of me. And I still feel fresh and dry thanks to Dove Mint Dry Spray.
Dove Mint Plus Care Dry Spray for 48-hour freshness. Goes on instantly dry. Clean feel all day.
Make a difference as a nurse at Vitas Healthcare and earn a lump sum payout after your first year. With our new Difference Maker program, team members who care for patients at the bedside will be rewarded for their commitment with a lump sum payout after they reach their 1-year anniversary. Eligible positions include RNs, admissions RNs, LPNs, LVNs, and team managers. To earn your lump sum payout after your first year, apply today at careers.vitas.com.
Your home is a one-of-a-kind piece of art, a palette of design elements reflecting your personal aesthetic and functional needs. For over 20 years, All Natural Stone's exclusive collection of luxury tile, exotic and specialty natural stone, and masterfully engineered porcelain has been transforming homes into pieces of livable art. Visit one of All Natural Stone's 4 Bay Area showrooms in Berkeley, Dublin, Burlingame, San Jose, or at allnaturalstone.com and find your inspiration. You can dine in art, entertain in art, bathe in art, lounge in art, relax in art. You can live in art.
Wake up with KNX News on your smart speaker.
Just ask Alexa, Google, or Siri to play KNX.
If it matters to you.
It's on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
It's 12:15. Good morning. I'm Art Sanders. Leading medical expert says don't wait to get your COVID booster now because the surge is coming.
Who takes the blame for air travel woes? That story coming in 5 minutes when Bloomberg checks your money.
Amid the leaked audio scandal at City Hall, hundreds of people hit the streets of LA demanding that 2 council members step down. I'm Natalie Tavidian.
The story's coming up next 15 minutes, but first at 12:15, traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5s. Here's Lou Stats.
This just up on the chalkboard in the Pasadena area on the southbound side of the 110 at Bridewell Street. It must be really slippery up there. Been a lot of happenings up there. This is an SUV over the right shoulder of the off-ramp, and it took out some signs on the off-ramp, so just beware of that hanging off on the right-hand side there. Singular now in Long Beach on the westbound side of the 91 transition to the South 710. The transition road is shut down until about 1 a.m. This is for a multi-vehicle crash and an SUV on its roof. All the traffic is being diverted to the northbound side of the 710. And in Long Beach on the southbound side of the 605 at Spring Street, more Los Alamitos area. This is a 3-vehicle crash blocking the right lanes. In Woodland Hills on the 101 South at Fallbrook, a car went into the center divider K-rail and it may be blocking the left lane. And in Norwalk on the 605 North at the South 5 transition, there's a traffic break for a single car crash. That's blocking lanes there. Next report is coming up at 12:35 with, how about 12:20?
For the valleys and the Inland Empire. Low 80s in the high desert and low 60s up in the mountains. The Southern California. Olga Spina for KNX News 97.1 FM.
Right now, San Fernando with 58 degrees, and Costa Mesa 66, and in Riverside we've got 62 degrees and some showers there. 12:17 at KNX. The number of COVID positive patients in LA County hospitals continues its gradual decline, dropping 9 people to to 446 according to the latest state figures. The number of those patients in intensive care was 58, up 3 from Friday's total. Meanwhile, the number of COVID-positive patients in Orange County hospitals increased slightly, rising by 2 people to 119. The number of those patients in intensive care was 16, down from 18 the previous day. Now that we know the updated COVID booster will protect you from the worst outcomes, health experts say you need to get it now. Dr. Lan Shapiro, Medical Director of Health, Education, and Wellness at Alta Med, tells KNX all indications point to a surge of COVID cases coming soon.
November, December, and January with some peaks. The difference right now, and we have seen it with vaccination campaigns where we have hospitals that have high rates of vaccination. They actually have less complications.
And the shot will give you a protection against severe illness and even death. Getting COVID, no matter your age or health status, can have symptoms for months after recovery, even if it's a very mild case. And this flu season is expected to be one of the worst in recent memory.
Flu kills thousands of people every year. And while we've got a break from the flu because of COVID, experts believe the flu is coming back this year with a vengeance. Dr. Gabrielle Morrow, head of the Glendale Hospital Emergency Department, hopes people will get their flu shots because she expects to be overwhelmed, as will all other hospitals.
That's correct. And before we all went inside for COVID, we were seeing every year the flu was killing about 50,000 people. And hospitalizations in the U.S. can get up as high as 700,000. And if you think about that in the context of we're already coping with the COVID pandemic and we're expecting a surge this winter, that's a lot of people hospitalized and that's a lot of death. And a lot of it's preventable, right? Because we've got these great vaccines. Even if they don't prevent a person from getting the flu, they significantly decrease the severity of disease.
She adds young children and older adults especially need to heed the call to get a flu shot. Rob Brill, KNX News 97.1 FM.
12:20 at KNX, and let's get the latest now on your money news. Bloomberg's Joan Doniger.
After a brutal summer that saw delayed and canceled flights, tensions are high among travelers, airlines, and regulators, with airlines such as United blaming the air traffic control system for the problems and the Federal Aviation Administration snapping back. So whose fault is it really?
I think the truth is somewhere in between.
Jonas Murphy is a principal at Aerodynamic Advisory, an aerospace and aviation consulting firm.
The airline system as a whole is still quite unstable.
He says there have been staff shortages on both sides. For the FAA,
The FAA cannot freely transfer employees between these different parts of the system. There's training required.
and the airlines too, leading to demonstrations at airports recently because of what workers say are staffing levels cut during the start of the pandemic. But Murphy indicates there may have been some overly optimistic flight scheduling by airlines too.
They did plan a certain capacity and weren't able to reach those targets.
We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Joan Doniger from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
More news ahead on KNX in just 2 minutes. We'll tell you all about the Southern California Golden Retriever Rescue. It's 12:21.
The voices you trust are on LA's Morning News.
To me, there's the obvious breaking news part of the job, but there's also just this curiosity, right? Because this is such an interesting place, and I want to pull those threads. It goes to unexpected places, and then once I figure some of it out, it's like I have to tell somebody, and I'm going to tell all of you.
Hear Mike Simpson on LA's Morning News.
Weekdays on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Every year, we say, well, wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us. % off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw all this. Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5-day pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from the Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
ELF is for every eye, lip, and face. Your originality is our inspiration. inspiration. From full-on maximalist to fresh-faced minimalist, we have a product for everyone and every look in between. Featuring viral products like our Halo Glow Liquid Filter, Power Grip Primer, Glossy Lip Stain, and more. Check out the latest game-changing beauty trends that are filling up your social feed. We make the